Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I will be discussing here today about Intercast Healthcare Corporation, which is a supplier company in Manila City that supplies dental products to dentists and dental technicians. So we will be having a recap of Quiz 1, which is customer expectation. Customer expectation is should be exceeded and should be studied by every company because to meet this expectation, it will gain profit and also other good things in the. Next is the recap of Quiz 2, which is the customer complaints. So customer complaints is also connected to customer suggestions, which is a very important element because customer complaints knows what is the negative side or knows what to improve in the company. So what to expect on today's report? So today's report, you'll be expecting about the problem statement, which is an important thing in this company. Also, is the process mapping and the hypothesis. So what is the purpose of problem statement? So the main purpose of the problem statement is to identify and explain the problem. This includes describing the existing environment, where the problem occurs, and what impacts it has on users, finances, and ancillary activities. So also, what is the purpose of process mapping? So process mapping is to know the process of the whole company, which is to improve efficiency, provide insights into a process, help team brainstorm ideas for process improvement, increase communication, and provide process documentation. So the problem statement of Intercast Healthcare Corporation is that the problem is that it cannot cope up with the order demand of the customer because they are sometimes low in inventory. So when the customer's example is ordering about 20 dental tools, uh, the Intercast Healthcare Corporation only have about 17 or 16. So like that. So what are the causes of problem statement of Intercast Healthcare Corporation? Due to poor company forecasting. So the consultants or the employees don't know the demand or how many supplies they need to stock in the inventory. So, due to company forecasting, complicated data source and manual processes to align of date information and disjoint spreadsheet, not only will forecast be inaccurate, they also be a terrible choice because, to be honest, Intercast Dental Corporation is not a fully barcode automated system. So, problem statement of healthcare corporation. So, which is due to product damage. So, the product damage is will cause about lost profit and need to import another new product to cope the loss in the inventory. So, due to this product damage, uh, the product and the inventory will become low and it does not have it will be needed to import others. So other signs is due to labeling and identification issues. So the due to labeling identification issue is because the wrong barcode system or error barcode system, which is Intercast is not 100% barcode system. It has some points which is they only use a manual system by counting, so the inventory will be inaccurate. So I will be just discussing here is the process map of Intercast Healthcare Corporation. So the process map is divide. It has about 5 departments to be discussed, but we will be only discussing about the warehouse department because this is the main issue here. So, so here is the process map of Intercast Healthcare Corporation. So as you can see, uh, the process of Intercast Healthcare Corporation is that warehouse department will get the printed picking ticket and will prepare items and schedule delivery. An actual quantity pick items should be written in the picking ticket. So the picking ticket comes from the sales department that will be passed to the logistics who will be receiving it. So What are the causes here? Okay. So the disorganized warehouse that cause misplacement of items and delay schedule of the product to the customer. So as you can see, warehouse department is having a problem because it is not that organized, and the shelves are it does not have a regular maintenance check by the people in the warehouse. So this should be implemented. So manual system in counting the items is still in use. No barcode system. This will have an inaccurate inventory. So they only use manual counting. So that's the number one problem, because barcode system it goes straight to the computer. So it needed to be implemented. Also is the wrong delivery of items due to miscommunication of sales department. So the problem here is that sales department sometimes miscommunicate with the customer. So what happens is that when sales department asks the customer on about this issue or about the address, and sometimes they will be given a wrong address. So that's the cause of the delay, and sometimes an wrong order. So the hypothesis of the process map is that, as you can see in the process map, the manual system is the most problem in the process map, because without the barcode system, the result will an inaccuracy of the inventory because of the company still uses manual counting of the items. With also the disorganized warehouse will have a result of misplacement and also the damaged item. With that, the warehouse should be organized to avoid complications in the warehouse department and also miscommunication of the sales department, which leads to the wrong delivery of items. So thank you.